about you, but when I saw Beyonce slaying that black lace wig for Halloween, I was like, yes girl, please let this black hair stay. And I had to go and replicate it with my RPG hair, kinky straight hair. This is their hair when it's all curled and pressed and stuff, and this is the natural texture of the RPG kinky hair. It is an extremely natural texture. I literally just freshly washed this, what you're seeing right now. I hadn't put conditioner in it and it was great. And then this is their hair when it's straightened and curled. The curls last for like 2 to 3 days. Yeah, and it's really good. First of all, we started by laying down my edges with Got To Be glue, and then got a cotton pad just to take off any makeup residue, because we don't want your makeup and your lace wig to be like all blending and stuff. It's not cute. So Hair by Kelly kindly customized this wig. She bleached the knots and just customized the hairline. It was really, really nice of her. Thanks girl. She's really, really good. I'll fully recommend her. Her details will be down in the description box below if you need it. So we started off by cutting the lace in the middle just so you have room to maneuver and do your thing. Using Got To Be glue, put that on my forehead and used a cold blow dryer to make it a bit tacky, and then used the lace wig lace thing just to stick it down and place it onto my forehead, and then again go in with a blow dryer just to make it a bit tacky and making sure that it's laying down, slaying down all nice. And then we're going in to use a small hair scissors just to cut and making sure it's tacky as we go. And Beyonce in this look had quite a few baby hairs, so we did try and do quite a few baby hairs. We just trimmed the front of the hairs, and Kelly doesn't actually put much product on the baby hairs. She just uses a toothbrush to maneuver the hair into one place and then uses some mousse to set it, and it should stay for 1 to 2 days. So that's what we did. Then we did the same process with the other side, using the Got To Be glue in a hairdryer and then sticking it down, and then using the hairdryer again just to make sure it's slaying down and laying down all flat. Using the hair scissors again, we're going to trim the rest of the hairline so it kind of matches my normal hairline, and then also making sure you cut out the ear part so it's not all uncomfortable and stuff, and then use a toothbrush to create those slay baby hairs. Yes, I love this hair so much. We went in and straightened and curled it, so when you first receive the wig it's a lot more kinkier, a lot more bushier. We did pin curls and allowed those to stay for about like 5 minutes. I was going crazy on Snapchat because I was gassed, of course, and we unpinned those curls here. I'm looking like a church girl. We're just going to pull them out to make them look a little bit more glamorous. Then we started with the Beyonce hairstyle first. As you can see, the baby hairs are laid. Everything's just laid. Everything's just laid, which I really like. Yeah, I started the Beyonce hairstyle first. Did an up down look and used a little bit of the hair around the hairband just to give it that really sleek finish, which I was obsessed with. I was going crazy, as you can see. Very happy. This is happy Liz when she has her hair done. I thought this style was super cute. Defo would use this at a party or something like that. And this was the final first look. And then for the second look, we just went in and recurled a bit and made sure the baby hairs were laying down. We did a side parting because I feel like side partings suit me a bit better compared to like middle partings, especially when it's like glamorous curls like this, because I have such a round cookie head. And then she just went in and did her perfectionist hairstyle and stuff. I don't think I could replicate this look as well as she did, but you know, when I'm doing my hair myself, I often refer back to these videos just to try and get it the way that she did it. But I really did like this look, and the hair looks so good, guys. Like, I just love kinky hair like this. I think is much better on me personally than straight Brazilian hair. It doesn't really fit my face too much, you know. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please remember to check out Rpghair in the description box below, as well as Hair by Kelly. Both of them came to slay my life and get my life together, and I was beating myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.